Here's my John Deere 6145M 2022 tractor with a brand new, never been used Westendorf 560 Freedom Mount loader. Has a quick attach on it. I bought this tractor base from a gentleman down in Missouri, a young man. I got a heck of a buy on it. I was going to keep it for myself. I actually have another 6155M, and my wife said she don't need two. So somebody's going to get a great frickin' tractor with a great loader, way heavier than a Deere loader. John Deere 6145M with a Westendorf 560 Freedom Mount. And check this bucket out. It's a huge bucket on it, brand new. Like I said, I've never used it. It's got 360 hours on this tractor. I'll show you the inside just real quick. It's got an air ride seat. And here's all the controls. $27-mile-an-hour tractor. I'll start this up, show you the hours. There's the hours, 365 hours on it, not even broke in. This tractor's virtually better than new. Here's the Westendorf electronic joystick. You just move it with your hands, barely. You can see how smooth it is. Works awesome. Super heavy loader, way heavier than the John Deere. Tractor's in mint condition. I did want to show you the tread on the tires. Virtually brand new. You can still see the brand new mold in the middle. That's the rear tires. The front tires are the same, virtually brand new, 360 hours on them. Beautiful tractor. You won't find a cleaner, nicer tractor than this one. Give me a call. 515-570-5087. 515-570-5087. My name is Lon.